How to add video testimonial to Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add a video testimonial to gain more trust from or between the clients to your store. So we are going to get more organic traffic and also some recurring clients. So it is very easy, very simple. All you need to do is to follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over to Shopify.com, sign in for an account, and then you are going to get the access to your admin dashboard. So this is the admin dashboard of ours. Now we are going simply to head over the search bar at the top. This step is going to be here after, of course, adding the products. So you need at least to have here a product. So you are going to add these type of testimonials. Do not forget to set up your shipping grades, shipping profiles, and also shipping track. And finally, the payment methods, you need to activate them. So after you have did that, you're going to click on the search bar at the top of the header, type in testimonial like that, and search on the App Store right there. So you're going to see here a bunch of apps. Some of them are great to use. Some of them are under development. It depends on the app that you are going to choose. Here we have some well-known apps such as Trustify. For example, here we have review and testimonial. We have the Vitals app, which is going to be here a very high quality app built for Shopify. We have also the Reputant testimonial slider and a GA testimonial slider also. So from these apps, I'm going only to use this one. So we have a free plan available within this specific app. As you can see here, you're going to set up the testimonials from here, and you can go ahead and import text and video testimonials, as you can see. So here we have the videos from YouTube reviews, cards, TikTok reviews, and etc. I'm going to install this Reputon app. So we are going to click on install. It will redirect us to the app installer. We are going to click on install here. Once you are going to set up this, you're going to see the app installed and you're going to pin it only to the navigation. By clicking on this pin icon, of course, so here we are going to generate the testimonials. So you are going to click on content and see here the options that are available. You can go ahead and collect testimonials, for example, from a paste or by pasting right there a URL, set your own logo for testimonials form. So we are going to create the testimonial card, I think, for that. Here we have only 2 steps. The first step is to set up your own logo for testimonial form. You can add a file or paste right there the URL. The second step is to collect testimonials. Share this link with your customer. It doesn't matter right there for this one. So you are going to collect the testimonials from your live customers. I'm going to pretend that right there we have no customer yet. So we are going to generate testimonials. You're going to add the widget to the storefront. So you can edit the content and also edit the widget or add the widget. You're going to add the widget to the home page, the product page, the cart page, or whatever. So we are going to add it here to the home page. So right there, it will open up the home page or the Shopify store builder. We are going to ignore that for this moment. We are going to click on edit content and you're going to see the generated testimonials. So you can also add a content group. So basically, I'm going to head over here. I will let you see here the type of the widgets. So we have this regular widget. You're going to see these right there, as you can see, customers or the testimonials text. You're going to see here some cards, some carousel cards, some sliders, rotators, lists, grid, and etc. So basically, you can go ahead and customize the widget by setting up the widget language, the minimum rating to display, for example, 5 or 4 stars, the reviews, the reviewer name. You can remove the Reputon Brendan link, so you're going right there to pay some right there additional fees or get up here a premium plan. And also for the customize of the widget, you can unlock this feature by getting a premium plan. Also, you are going to get the option to custom the CSS. So basically right there, I'm going to add this widget to the home page. So I'm going to restart that, set it up to the product page, not the home page. So we are going to add it to a product. Now we are going to be taken to a product page. So we are going to get that specific widget from apps. It will be added automatically here. You're going to see the option that you can go ahead and drag and drop it. So here we have the theme of the widget. So you have dark, light, black, whatever. We have also the auto scroll right there from the customers. And this is the testimonial slider. So we have here content, for example, up to 20 content that we can review it. So it doesn't matter a lot. You're going to click on save right there. Now we are going to see the sections. You can go ahead and add a block from apps. And as you can see, we are going to add here the testimonials right there. We have sliders, the rotator, list, the grid, the customer story, carousel, cards, and etc. You can also add the cards, for example, and it will be added in just a few seconds. So this is the cards. And here we have it. You can go ahead and customize the cards like that by clicking on it, also setting up the theme. Now let me show you the trick that you are going to make. So you are going to add the video to it. So basically we are going to add or head over the testimonial slider from here. We are going to edit the content of the sliders, the cards, or whatever. So let's choose, for example, card or carousel card. We're going to click on edit the content. You're going to get only 4 right there testimonials. You can go ahead and edit these testimonials by yourself by clicking on edit. For the free version of this app, it will give you only 4 generated testimonials. If you want to add one manually, you are going to be right there obligated to remove one and add it manually. So you are going to set up the author name, the text, the rating, the social profile URL if it is right there available, the caption, and here we are going to get the trick. Either you are going to set up a picture, a TikTok video, or a YouTube video. So this is how you are going to add the video testimonial to your card. Make sure that you are going to set up the URL from YouTube, from TikTok, save that, and it will go ahead and show right there the video of that testimonial. So you are going to paste right there a video from YouTube or TikTok, it doesn't matter. So you can go ahead and set up the UGC, for example, user generated content for a certain product and set it up. If you are going to dropship a product, you're going to get the plenty of videos from TikTok and also YouTube. So that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.